Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'd like to show you this sub-electric air pump which inflates your inflatables up to the 20 psi. I've actually tested it out about well, not a month ago, maybe a couple of months ago when I was on water, and it works pretty well, but there are a couple of things that I'd like to mention throughout the video so that you would be aware if you'll decide to buy one of these. Okay, so let's take it out of the box, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. So the inside, we've got this the air pump itself. We also have 5 angles that you can actually attach to this hose here, and that is pretty much all. One other thing that I'd like to mention, that it actually works from the 12-watt power supply that every one of us have in our car. Well, I'm talking about the ones who got the cars. And if you don't have a car, you can actually buy something like well, like a huge battery which allows you to use this switch, and it will power off your gadget. So it really depends. There is always a way out. As I've already mentioned, I've already tested it out on the water, and what I can actually tell about it, well, it works pretty good. It inflates your inflatable pretty fast. Just a few things that I'd like to mention that I well, would reduce or add. So the thing that I would reduce with this air pump is the noise. So believe me, it is pretty noisy, and if, for example, you are planning to be pretty quiet and inflate your inflatable boat, then this air pump won't do well for you, because, well, believe me, you'll be heard, and you'll be heard for quite of a distance. And well, if there are people around the lake, they will definitely be confused, because it works pretty loud. And well, I've actually prepared my inflatable boat at home. I'll in a moment I'll show you how noisy it is. And one other thing that I've actually didn't like about this one is only because it has this only well, it only inflates your inflatables, but it doesn't deflate. So to this one, I would have actually added one more section here that would be actually deflating. And in my opinion, I've actually overpaid for this one, but I'll actually add 2 links within the description if you'd like to have a look. The link with the price for this one, and I'll add an alternative which in my opinion will work a bit better than this one. So okay, so let us demonstrate how it will inflate the inflatable boat. I'm actually doing it at home because it's winter time, and by the way, well, Merry Christmas to everybody. It will be like in a couple of weeks. So just wanted to say that. Okay, so let us put it to the test. You'll hear how loud it will work. you'll basically, one other thing that I'd like to mention, over here, like we've got this R button, so it actually shows you whether it's a Pascal or another measurements. There are, in my opinion, if I'm not mistaken, there are only like 3, but I use the PSI. And over here you can actually decrease and increase the pressure to the point that you need. So, okay, let us just put it to the test and you'll basically see all for yourself. Okay, so I've actually prepared everything. So as you can see, because I'm at home, I'm using this car booster, and well, I've set it to the 20 psi, and I've actually connected that to the bolt over there. So I'm just gonna power it on, and basically you'll hear for yourself how loud it is. So let's power it on. Okay, so I won't be actually pumping it until the end, but I just wanted to show you how loud it actually works. If you know the pressure that needs to be, well, the maximum pressure that your inflatable allows, you just set it to that level, and when it will inflate your inflatable item, it will actually power off itself on that point when it will feel that the pressure is pretty right. So that is actually quite a handy gadget, but as I've already told you, I would have actually liked that it would have like another option in order to deflate my inflatable boat, but again, well, I've already bought it, and I'll be using it, well, I've probably overpaid for it a little bit, but well, it is how it is, and you live and learn. That is an experience for me, and that's pretty much everything what I wanted to show you. Oh, okay, and well, if I'm showing you the place, I'll just show you the aquarium also. Those are my fishes there. I'm not only like to go out fishing, but I do keep fishes in my place. Okay, well, that's basically pretty much that I wanted to tell you about this gadget. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to put a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to become a part of our community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.